How to fix this site can't be reached error on Android mobile or Chrome browser or any other browser problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this site can't be reached error on any browser. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here as you can see here, I'm not able to click on the link and it's not going, or it is showing like this site can't be reached error or something like that. So to fix this problem, what you need to do here, first of all, as you can see here, this type of interface will be pop up. So to fix this problem, what you need to do here, I'm going to show you in this video. First of all, you just need to click on this 3 days or arrow sign on the top, and then here you can see this type of interface will pop up. So here you have to click on this settings option. Okay, simply tap on settings and here this type of interface will be pop up. So you just need to scroll down and you have to click on security and privacy and security. Just tap here and here you can see you will find this type of interface. So guys, what you need to do here, you can see on the top you will find one option, clear browsing data. Simply tap here and here you will find this type of interface. So here what you need to do here, you have to click, make sure that you had clicked every 3 ticked here. You can see I have already ticked. So now after clicking this, you have to click on this time, and here you can see all time. So simply tap on all time and it's done. So the next thing you have to do is you have to click on advanced here. Okay, just tap on advanced and then you have to do the same. You have to click everything here, and here you can see save password, autofill from. You just need to remove these 3. Okay, only 3. And here also all time, and click on clear data. You can see on the bottom, simply tap here and here you can see clear data. So you can see here it's clearing browsing. So after doing this, just go back. It's not done, so I'm gonna show you the next step. What you have to do, you have to go to Play Store and then here you have to search for this application. Here you can see Super VPN and then you have to open this. So after opening this, what you need to do, just click on continue option, allow it, continue it. This type of interface will pop up. So until that, if you really like the video, please subscribe to the channel so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos every day. So now here you can see you have to click on this and you can select any of the country. I've just select US and click on continue. So guys, you can see here I have successfully connected. So let me just go to the Chrome and then now let me just go to the new tab and then here let me just search for PAU. Okay, this was the one. Let me just click here. As you can see here, I have successfully opened the browser and I have successfully opened the link. So this is how you can fix it. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.